Hi everyone, and welcome to the last part 10 of this Beginner English Phrases for Conversation series. Today's phrase is, could you repeat that please? Could you repeat that please? We use this phrase when we didn't hear a word or a phrase and we want the person to say it again. This phrase is not asking about the meaning. We only use this phrase when we want the person to say what they said again. So let's pretend you are talking to someone and they say, "What are you doing?" And you didn't hear what they said. You can say, "Could you repeat that please?" Then the other person will say what they said again. Some different ways to say, "Could you repeat that please?" are, say that again, please. Could you say that again, please? Would you mind repeating that? So if someone says to you, "Could you repeat that please?" How can you answer this question? It's actually very easy. All you need to do is say what you said again. So let's pretend I said, "I'm going to that restaurant," but you didn't hear what I said. You could say to me, "Could you repeat that please?" I would then say, "I'm going to that restaurant," but I would probably say it a bit slower so you can understand me easier. Now let's look at some common mistakes with this phrase. A lot of the time I hear students say things like, "Could you saying that again please?" or "Could you repeating that again?" But this is incorrect. If you want to use a verb after could you need to use verb 1. So to correct this, you need to say, "Could you say that again please?" Or "Could you repeat that please?" Don't say "could you saying" and don't say "could you repeating." It's wrong.